Hello students, this is Mrs. Raksha Shirodkar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. So this is Computer Science Paper 2, Chapter number 2, Instruction set of 8085. In the last video we had completed the total 12 instructions of logical group. So today we'll be continuing with the same logical group but with the 13th one, that is 13th instruction. So from this instruction, that is 13th, we have total 4 instructions which are known as rotate instructions, which are very important from the exam point of view, that is from the theory point of view. So there are total 4 instructions that are for rotate. So the number 1, that is 13th instruction. So today in this particular video we'll be seeing the 4 total rotate instructions. So first one is RLC, which stands for rotate accumulator left. Now can you see the diagram which I have shown you all in the after the comment section, that is after the explanation? I have shown you one diagram. So I have drawn boxes which are nothing but the accumulator content, which are total 8 bits which I have shown, starting from A0 to A7, which are nothing but the 8 bits of the accumulator, and the carry box I have shown a separate box which is nothing but for the carry box. Okay, so RLC, what happens here, what we have to do, we have to rotate the accumulator content to the left by one bit. So if the accumulator content is whatever, we have to shift those content by one bit to the left hand side, okay, which is a binary number. Okay, so you will have to assume a number in a decimal. Suppose it is 12H, so you will be writing in that box 12H in binary. So 12 will be 0010, 0001 for 1 and 2 for 0010. So that number will be shifted to the left hand side by one bit. See, I have shown here. Let us see the format first. So how it goes. So see here, starting from the right hand side, the A7 bit will be shifted to the carry flag. Okay, and then A7 bit will also be shifted to the A0 bit. Then the last bit, that is AN bit, will be shifted to AN plus 1. That means A7 bit will be shifted to A0, then A0 to A1, A1 to A2, A2 to A3, A3 to A4, A4 to A5, A5 to A6, A6 to A7, and the last A7 to CY. That way it is. Okay, so one bit will be shifting to the left hand side, the accumulator bits. Okay, so hence in the format I have written A7 first. Okay, A7 to carry, then A7 to A0, then AN, that is nothing but A0 to A1, A1 to A2. Hence I do not need to write the whole thing, so hence I have written AN to AN plus 1. So 1 bit plus the ahead forward bit, it will be shifted. Okay, so the addressing mode here is implied addressing mode, also called as implicit addressing mode. So there are two names for these, implied and implicit addressing mode, which means there is nothing, there is no register, there is no HL pair, that is memory, or there is no data, nothing, only the opcode, which is RLC. Hence it is said to be implied or implicit addressing mode. The group will be logical group. Bytes will be 1 byte. Then since there is no operand or nothing present in the instruction, so hence it is said to be 1 byte instruction. Flags that will be affected are only carry will be affected. So you will be writing only carry flag will be affected here. And the explanation that I have written here is the content of the accumulator is rotated to the left hand side by 1 bit position. The bit A7 is stored in bit A0 as well as in the carry flag. Okay, so this explanation you have to learn, and you can take any example. I'll show you in the example. So again I'll tell you all the explanation. What happens here is the content of the accumulator is rotated to the left hand side, RLC, which stands for rotate left. The accumulator content, okay, is rotated to the left hand side by the 1 bit position. The bit A7 is stored in bit A0 as well as in the carry flag. So A7 bit goes to the carry as well as to the A0 bit. Okay, see, I have shown you the arrow if you can see. Okay, so let us see the example. if accumulator content you have to assume, and those content only will be shifted to the left hand side by 1 bit position. So accumulator content I have assumed 81H and carry as 0. Carry you can assume anything, okay? So accumulator is 81, carry as 0. Carry can be either 0 or 1. Okay, so before execution you have to write. So instruction is RLC that you need to write, and then you will write before execution in binary. So carry, in the carry box you will assume the carry that you have assumed as 0, and the box of accumulator which is 81 that you have assumed in decimal you will write in binary in the box. Now 8 which is 1 0 0 0, 1 which is 0 0 0 1. So okay, so carry and accumulator content I have written in the box, that is for before execution. After execution what happens, you will keep on shifting those content, that is bits one by one to the left hand side. So A7 bit is stored in carry flag. Now A7 which is 1, if you can see in the before execution box, which got shifted to carry. So hence in the carry box you wrote 1 there, and then the same A7 bit will be shifted to A0 bit. Okay, so A7 bit which was 1 got shifted to A0, then A0 to A1, and so on. You will keep on shifting to the left hand side all the other bits by 1 position. So hence you got in the accumulator as 4 times 0, that is 0, then 0 0 1 1 which is 3. So accumulator content you got as 0 3 and carry as 1. If you don't understand, please message me that you did not understand. Okay, so this was the example which I showed you all, and how the bits got rotated. If you all don't understand, please message me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can take any accumulator content, you can try it by yourself. So what you will do is A7 bit you will be shifting to CY first, the same A7 bit will be shifted to A0, and so on all the other bits to the left hand side by 1 bit position. So this is nothing but my RLC, that is rotate accumulator to left. Okay, now the next we have is rotate accumulator right. Correct, RLC is done. Now we'll be seeing RRC, which is completely opposite of RLC, where RLC you used to shift to the left hand side by 1 bit position. In RRC you will be shifting to the right hand side by 1 bit position. Okay, so the full form is rotate accumulator right. Format that I have shown here is, how will you write the format? According to the diagram that I have shown, you can write the format. So what happens here is A0 bit is shifted to carry, then A0 bit is also shifted to A7. So what happens here? Opposite thing happens as compared to RLC. So before in the RLC we used to shift A7 to carry and A7 also to A0, correct? But here what happens, A0 goes to carry and the same A0 goes to A7, and then A7 to A6, A6 to A5, A5 to A4, okay, like that. So right hand side you will be keep on shifting by 1 bit position. So hence I have written the format as A0 to CY, A0 to A7 and AN+1 to AN. Addressing mode will be the same, that is implied or implicit addressing mode. Group is logical group, bytes is 1 byte, and the flags is only carry which may get affected. So the explanation is the content of the accumulator is rotated to the right hand side by 1 bit position. Then you will write from the format as the bit A0 is stored in carry and also it is stored in A7 bit. So A0 is stored in bit A7 as well as in the carry flag. And then you will draw the box which I have shown by showing the arrows, that how the bits will be shifting. Okay, so that box is very important that you need to show. Then you will write the example. So example, let I have assumed as 81H, again carry that I have assumed as 0. So the instruction is RRC. Before execution you will write in the box for carry as 0 and 81 in binary in the box, which is 1000 and again 0001. So 81H in binary, and you will be shifting the bits in right hand side. So after execution what happens, you will be shifting the A0 bit first to carry. So hence that carry from 0 it got to 1. Why? Because A0 bit got shifted to carry. The same A0 bit will be shifting to A7. So hence from A7 you will start here. In the RLC you used to start from A0, here you will be shifting from A7. So hence you will start from A7. So you will write A7 1, then all A7 bit to A6. So 1. So hence the answer that you will get is 1.